So take a look at this video. So a lot of people have been using this method to try to fix phone broken screen or broken of course touch pads. Now watch and see the method this guy used to fix his own. Of course, like how was that possible? Now watch and see the way other people did theirs. So this one used lighter and then the toothpaste, and after rubbing it and waiting for some time, he did some kind of abracadabra, and then boom. Now, and just like that, the screen is good. This one used a shaving stick, I don't know, and then a toothpaste, then some couple of tapes to fix a broken screen. And just like that, the screen is now good. Okay, so after watching this video several times, and I noticed some people actually initially believe this thing, but I think from the way science has come and the way knowledge has gone wide, I think nobody on this planet will still believe this kind of tricks work. There is no way you can fix a cracked screen with a paste. It is not possible. You cannot mend or you cannot fix a broken glass with a paste. Please, it is not possible. Don't waste your time trying to do this, or don't even in fact, you are literally causing more damage to the phone by doing this, as a matter of fact, because by the time these things have to slip into the screen itself, then when you go to change the pad, maybe it would have affected the screen. So it is better you just, please, don't even try this at all.